and a steely determination in the days ahead, with deep gratitude for our public health officials who are guiding us through this. There's a lot of questions that I know you will have that we will not and cannot answer tonight about all the economic effects and how we will get through this and rebuild. Tonight, our responsibility is to save as many lives and flatten that curve. But one thing is crystal clear in the fog of these days: we are all safer at home. So the city of Los Angeles, like the cities that are here with me, many other cities I'm sure who will join as well, and the county of Los Angeles is issuing a safer at home, stay at home order that will go effective midnight tonight. For employees of impacted businesses, this will take effect tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. But all businesses, including museums, malls, retail stores, for-profit companies, and nonprofit organizations, must stop operations that require workers to be present in person. And no public and private gatherings of any size that would occur outside of a single home will be allowed, with clear exceptions. I want to be clear about this, that the only time you should leave your home is for essential activities and needs: to get food, care for a relative or a friend or a child, get necessary health care, go for a walk in the neighborhood. And I'm so glad that Catherine was talking about all the things we can do. I think that there's been terrible terms out there like lockdown. Nobody is locked down, and we encourage you not to be locked down. This is not shelter in place like a school shooting. This is stay at home, because you're safer at home. And the only people who should be leaving home and going out are those whose jobs are critical to the safety, the health, and security of the city, as well as the economy of recovery for us and the nation during this crisis. Emergency personnel, first responders, government employees, medical professionals, and vital infrastructure workers will be able to continue their jobs, but they need to exercise the social distancing that can save their lives whenever and wherever possible. The same applies only to critical businesses such as healthcare providers, grocery stores, news outlets, hardware stores, gas stations, dry cleaners, and laundromats, which are permitted to remain in operation. I know a lot of people will have a lot of questions. Go to lacounty.gov, go to your city's website. For those of you that are City of LA residents, you can see those details and some of the frequently asked questions at coronavirus.lacity.org. If we can slow the spread, we can buy days. And when we buy those days, that means that we can get ventilators and we can get beds